Alright then guys, here is part 5 of the weather, and it's not sunny anymore. What is going on? It's just cloudy and the winds are starting to pick up again. What the hell is going on? I don't know. This is the weirdest weather ever. The weirdest weather in my life. I mean, yeah. It's mostly cloudy with some wind at the moment. It looks like it's going to throw it down with rain again, because look at those clouds, it's gone back to being dark again. Really dark. If it doesn't throw it down in this video, I guess I'm going to have to do part 6. Which is getting crazy now. I'm doing quite a few different parts because the weathers keep changing. Before I know where I am, it will be probably hailing. Yeah, oh my goodness. It's crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. I'll let it go up to probably 5 minutes again. If nothing happens, I guess part 6 will be coming, and if it starts raining again, or any thunder or anything like that. Yeah, this is making up for me not uploading for quite a while. Obviously I've done some shout outs as well. Yeah, all these parts for the weather is making up for me not uploading for ages. I haven't uploaded in months. Yeah, it's been a few months since I last uploaded, and this is making up for it. For all these different parts. I'm sorry about not uploading for quite a few months. Been really busy with my first channel. Gonna move it a little bit. The clouds are heading towards that way. And yeah. We're at 3 minutes so far. I'm going to give it another 2 minutes. Again, the weather's unpredictable, so I'm going to give it a little bit longer. I kept the window open. I've opened the window back up again in case there's any more thunder, so you guys can hear it better, because when the window's open you can tend to hear the thunder much better. You can still hear it with the windows closed, but you can hear it much better with it open. About 4 minutes, pretty much 5. Yeah, it's 5 minutes and nothing's happened. So I'm going to end the video here. And that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video, guys, and bye for now.